Hello darling friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? I'm glad to know you're fine. You're highly welcome to Lily Goes channel, where your beauty is our concern. So if today is your very first day of coming across our video, hello, you're welcome to the family. Okay, just do us a favor by supporting us. You can click on the subscribe button if you love what you are doing, leave a comment and then thumbs up. So today I'm trying to show you what we can use to glow our skin. This is very effective. It can work overnight for you. For our old members of the family, you are highly welcome back. Thank you for believing in us and then having us in your heart. Thank you for sticking around. We believe we have made a difference in your life since we started. So darling friends, let's get it started. So what do we need for this? Don't worry, don't be in a haste. If you want to glow your skin, please don't be in a haste to change this channel, because you're gonna learn how to produce this so you can use it for your skin. You need to glow and glow. All right, so don't be in a haste to leave. Don't be in a haste to change the station. Is it the station channel? I don't know. Okay, so we need our bowl for this. We also need our spoon, but there are things more we need for this. So what are those things that we need? We need just two things. We need our petroleum jelly and our egg. You can see I've taken little before this video. So sorry. So you have to crack your egg and remove the egg whites. Yeah, you can see it. Remove the egg whites completely, and then what you need for today's work is the yolk. Remember, we still can use the egg white for some other things, some other DIYs, but for today's on, we are needing the yolk, so we are going to use the yolk. You don't need one to be left out. So you have to mix it thoroughly. Like it's because of the petroleum jelly, it takes time to get well mixed. Okay, you can see even from the starting of the video I've been mixing it, so it's gonna take a whole lot of time so you can get a homogeneous mixture. For that, don't be in a haste to be like I've gotten all I want. No, please wait, relax. I say relax. We still have enough in stock for you. Yeah, you heard me clearly. I said we have enough in stock for you. So anyhow you want to do it, if you want to melt the petroleum jelly first before adding the adding this to it, the egg yolk, that would be perfect. Anyway, if you just want to use double burner to do it, it will make sense. But remember, you don't need to kill the egg yolk, okay? Before, just a little thing, you've denatured it, so you don't need it much. If you want to try any way you want to do it, just make sure you don't denature the egg yolk, so you can do it on your own, just this way I'm doing it. Yep, you can mix it well mixed, please. You need homogeneous mixture for you to apply this. You don't need to rush it. You got to take your time. Yes, and then after mixing it, what next do we need to do? We need to use our hand as you know what we need? A scapegoat, in case if it's gonna hurt us. Remember, what works for you may not work for me, so I always use my hand to test run whatever I want to apply on my face. So I implore you to do the same so you don't get yourself hurt because of DIYs. Add this and add the other one, okay? Though they are both mild, they cannot hurt, but it doesn't matter. It may hurt some other person. Okay, so I implore you to please, whatever you want to apply on your face, I mean the first day you want to apply anything on your face, please try it on your hand. Your hand will tell you if actually it's gonna work or not. So after trying it on your hand, please make sure you leave for at least 30 minutes. Don't rush it. Yes, I mean it, don't rush it. If you rush it, you're not gonna like it. Apply every other place you think that needs it and allow it for a period of 30 minutes. You can see, yeah, I will still apply it on my face. After here, I will know that if it's hot or not. If it doesn't, fine and beautiful, I'll go straight to my face and do the needful. So here we come, we got to apply it. Please don't mind my hair, don't mind those things. I still have little acne on my face, but that doesn't mean I still do my glow with. So acne are just going. It doesn't take um uh just 2 days to disappear. It used to take time for it to get disappeared. So what are we gonna do? Just whatever you think you can use for it. I'm using my cotton wool, so you can use anything you think you can. That's okay for you. Please don't mind the hair. Don't even mind the hair, please. Okay, so when you are done, you can leave it for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour before washing it off. So darling friends, if what you're doing here you love it, hello please leave us a click, just a thumbs up, comments, and then subscribe to our channel. Okay, but and then please, there is a bell icon beside it. Please click on it for notification. Whenever I post my videos, you will get it right there on your phone. Why can't you help us do this? We just need this from you to keep going. Okay, thank you so much. Remember, I'm still on my 7 days petrol, it's not petroleum again. Hi.